Hi! In front of me is OPPO A18 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Following that, tap on Keyboard and Input method. Select Manage Keyboards and Revert. Now just tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are available over here. To manage them, tap on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!